Hello.
Kawa, how are you today?
I'm fine.
What did you do today or yesterday, Kawa, during weekend? Tell teacher. You.
I eating.
You're eating what?
Fish. Egg.
Fish. You eat fish. What else?
Egg.
Wow. So baby, before we start our lesson, teacher is very happy to see you today. Of course,
Yes.
we're going to have our first, hold on a minute. Happy, shalalala. It's so nice to be happy.
Sandalada. One cup of sugar.
Okay, let's have one song before we go to our class lesson, okay?
Want to come by sugar. Yes.
Okay, hold on a minute, baby.
Like.
It's a beautiful day in spring, hey hey. The sun is shining my way. The birds are singing, the bells are ringing. Today is Easter Sunday. How do you celebrate? Easter time is here. What do you like about Easter time is here? I love to spend it with my family and friends. I don't want it to end, 'cause I love my family time on Easter Day.
I like to have lots of sweet things to eat. Chocolate eggs are a treat. The Easter bunny might come visit too. My family gets so dressed up, so fine. Goes to church at sunrise. Don't forget the yummy Easter food. I like that game where you roll an egg super fast. Hurry or you'll be last. One daily color has to hide. I love to make super sparkly ones. Polka dot stripey ones. I wonder what that basket has inside.
It's time to celebrate.
Easter time is here.
Come on, let's celebrate.
Easter time is here.
I love to spend it with my family and friends. I don't want it to end, 'cause I love my family time on Easter Day.
Yay! So are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let me stop this and let's have our lesson. So our lesson last time is Unit 9. So today we're going to have Unit 10. Are you ready?
Yes.
So let me share my screen. Hold on, baby. It's still downloading. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay. Can you see it?
Yes.
Yes, let's start. 10, welcome. So what is the title of our lesson? Unit 10.
People in our street.
People in our street. So baby, we're going to learn who are the people passing by in our streets, okay?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, close your eyes. Think about your dream home. Baby, close your eyes. And then think about your dream home. When we say dream home, what house or home do you like? Can you imagine it yourself, baby? Is it big? How many bedrooms? What does it look like? Your house, baby. Baby, what does it look like? Hello? Baby, you are on mute. Baby. 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 You are on mute, baby. Can you try? Can you try to unmute your mic? Baby, you are on mute. Baby, I can't hear you. Baby. Baby, you are on mute. Baby, I can't hear you. Try to unmute your mic. Baby. Hold on.
Okay.
Yes! I thought you cannot. Yes, baby, don't mute your mic, okay? Okay, let's
Yes.
try to. Okay. Can you tell me, what does your dream home look like? Baby, what does it look like? Your house, your dream house, baby. Is it big? Is it a house or a flat?
How? A flat. Flat.
Is it tall? Is it old or new?
New.
Is how many floors has it got?
2.
Two. How many rooms are there in your dream house?
I don't know.
Is it 7? How is 7 rooms? How many rooms? The bedroom, the kitchen.
7 rooms.
Are there any rooms that are under the ground too?
5.
Okay. Which is your favorite room?
My favorite room is bathroom.
What can you see from the windows of your dream home?
Bird.
Bird. Is there a garden to play in?
Yes.
Very good, baby. Next. Write 10 words to put in the gaps you choose. Okay, look at the picture, baby. Who's writing the text? Is it a boy or a girl? Let's try to read it first, baby.
Boy.
Hi, I live in.
Hi, I live in city.
Okay. Okay. There are only blank houses in our street.
Yes. They are only about
Few houses, baby. Few houses.
few houses. And
I don't know, but I don't know
I don't
everyone.
know everything, but we are friends with the
Fish family.
They live in
Hold on, baby.
three white house. It's got lot of window.
Baby, hold on. Let's try to fill in the blanks, okay? Hi, I live. What's the name of your street, baby?
Hamona.
Okay, I live in Hamona Street. There are only about what number houses?
9.
There are 9 houses and flats in our street. I don't know. Can you read it, baby?
Everyone.
I don't know everyone, but we're friends with the fish family. They live in a beautiful white house. It's got lots of windows and a funny large roof. Mr. Fish is a sports teacher and he likes cooking. Delicious Chinese food or Vietnamese food on his balcony. Mrs. Fish gives dancing and music lessons. She can play the piano really well.
My house.
She can make really great chocolate cake too. Mr. and Mrs. Fish have got a son who's called Koa. He's got a pet name, Puppy. I really like soccer with him in their garden after school. Okay, can you read it, baby, and then fill in the blanks?
Hi, I live in Hamona Street. They are only about a number house.
Baby, you will say a number house.
9.
Okay.
9.
Next.
9. Happy. They live in a happy white house. My fish is a sport teacher and he likes cooking, eating of food on his playground. Miss Fish gives dancing and music lessons. She can play the instrument really well. She can make really bright chocolate. I kind of food too. Miss and Miss Fish got a son who's plenty a boy named Khoa.
Yeah.
Got a pet. Pet cat.
Okay.
I really play with him in the garden after school.
Yay!
Okay.
Good. Okay. Baby, you can answer this, okay? Listen and tick the box. Are you ready?
Okay.
10B. People in our street. Look at the pictures. Listen and look. There is one example. Which is Lily's house?
Which is your house, Lily? Is it the one with the grey roof?
No, our house hasn't got a garden and its roof is red.
Oh, OK. And what colour is the door?
Blue, my favourite colour.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. What's Dan's father doing now?
What's Dad doing, Mum? Is he washing his car again?
No, Dan. Look, he's playing with the poppy.
Ah, great! Can I go and see?
Yes, but put your coat on first.
2. What are Lily and Dan playing?
Are Lily and Dan playing table tennis?
Not today. And Dan didn't want to play football.
Oh, so they're playing badminton?
That's right. They like doing that.
3. How does Dan's mother go to work? Hello, Dan. How does your mum travel to work? By bus?
She goes on the train. It's quicker.
Does she ride her bike to work sometimes?
No, she never does that.
4. What's on Mr. Field's balcony?
Mr. Field's got a new pet, Mum. It's on his balcony.
Is it a rabbit?
No, it's a parrot. Look.
Oh, yes. What kind of pet would you like?
A kitten.
5. Who's waiting at the bus stop?
Is that your mum at the bus stop?
No, it's my best friend's grandmother.
Oh. Which bus stop's there?
The number 1. It goes to the beach.
Okay, baby, do you want me to repeat it?
Yes.
10b. People in our street. Look at the pictures. Listen and look. There is one example. Which is Lily's house?
Which is your house, Lily? Is it the one with the grey roof?
No, our house hasn't got a garden and its roof is red.
Oh, OK. And what colour is the door?
Blue, my favourite colour.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. What's Dan's father doing now?
What's Dad doing, Mum? Is he washing his car again?
No, Dan. Look, he's playing with the poppy.
Ah, great! Can I go and see?
Yes, but put your coat on first.
2. What are Lily and Dan playing?
Are Lily and Dan playing table tennis?
Not today. And Dan didn't want to play football.
Oh, so they're playing badminton?
That's right. They like doing that.
3. How does Dan's mother go to work? Hello, Dan. How does your mum travel to work? By bus?
She goes on the train. It's quicker.
Does she ride her bike to work sometimes?
No, she never does that.
4. What's on Mr. Field's balcony?
Mr. Field's got a new pet, Mum. It's on his balcony.
Is it a rabbit?
No, it's a parrot.
Look! Oh, yes! What kind of pet would you like?
A kitten.
5. Who's waiting at the bus stop?
Is that your mum at the bus stop?
No, it's my best friend's grandmother.
Oh. Which bus stop's there?
The number 1. It goes to the beach.
Yes. Okay, number 1 is B. Number 2, A. Number 3, A. Number 4, C. Number 5, B. You didn't answer. It's okay, baby. Good job. Okay, let's have pronunciation bites. Are you ready?
Yeah.
In the last question in B, there were 2 family words. What are they? Mom and grandmother.
Grandmother.
Mom, baby, say it again. Mom, grandmother.
Mom. Grandmother.
Mom, grandmother.
Mom. Grandmother.
Sometimes these 2 letters sound the same. Okay, let's listen, baby.
10C. People in our street. Listen to us.
My son, my brother, my mother, and my uncle are waiting in Upunder Road for the number 1 bus.
Again.
10C. People in our street. Listen to us.
My son, my brother, my mother, and my uncle are waiting in Upunder Road for the number 1 bus.
Okay, baby, let's try it. My son, my
My
brother,
son, my father, my mother,
and my uncle
are working in Upunder
Road
for the number 1 bus.
Okay. Again, baby, let's try to say it correctly. My son, my brother, my mother,
Son, my father,
brother,
and my auntie are working in
Upunder Road
Upunder Road
for
of the number 1
bus.
What?
Yes. How many sounds are there in the sentence, baby?
1.
Oh, how many? Count them more. 1, 2,
1.
sound. Brother, son, mother, uncle, Upunder, number 1, bus. So how many?
I see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sounds. Yes, 8. Okay, next. Okay. Words where O is pronounced A as you discover them in the book. For example, another, come, love, Monday,
Another, come, love, Monday, monkey, nothing,
nothing,
someone, something.
yes, happy, sha-la-la-la. Very good, baby.
Sha-la-la-la.
It's so nice to be happy. Okay, for your own reference only, notice that the most cases an O that is pronounced A will have either an, N, or L, or W next to it. Can you read it?
are
Your reference. For your own reference.
Are favorite only noting that in most places an R just is proven. We'll have a there N R L R W
Next to it. Yes. Okay, baby. Read and choose the best answer. Read first the example, baby. What's the girl's name?
It's phone.
No, baby. Dan. What's the new girl's name?
Yes. It's Sally Love.
It's Sally Love. What's she like?
She likes chocolate.
Has she got any brothers?
No, it's changing.
Tell me about her.
She's good at sport.
Shall I invite her to my party?
So do I.
What's her phone number?
Yes, she is good.
Are you sure that's the answer? No. What's she like? Can you read it, baby?
What's she like? She's really nice.
Has she got any brothers?
No, it's Gilbert.
Charlie.
Charlie.
Tell me about her.
Charlie, tell me about her.
She's good at...
So do I.
Sport. Shall I invite her to my party?
Shall I invite her to my party?
Good idea.
Yes.
What's her phone number?
I do know. I can up her. Yeah.
Yay. Okay, read and draw pictures of Dan, Lily, and Sally. Baby, can you read it first? Dan and Lily.
Dan and Lily both live and no Sally lived there too. Then got brown eyes, but Lily and Sally eyes are blue and bigger than Dan's. Dan got the biggest nose and the bigger ear, but his mouth is the smooth. Then hair is brown and really curly, but Lily is blonde and short. Sally hair is black, is shorter than Lily hair, but it longer than hair.
Okay, let me read it. Dan and Lily both live in Easy Street, and now Sally lives there too. Dan's got brown eyes, but Lily's and Sally's eyes are blue and bigger than Dan's. Dan's got the biggest nose and the biggest ears, but his mouth is the smallest. Dan's hair is brown and really curly, but Lily's is blonde and straight. Sally's hair is black. It is shorter than Lily's hair, but it's longer than Dan's hair. Okay, baby, can you draw the pictures of Lily and Sally and Dan?
Yes, I can draw.
Okay, go, go, go.
Okay. I draw in my phone.
Okay, go, go, and show it to me, okay?
Done. It's done.
Look at the description, Look at the description. Dan's eyes are brown.
I don't have brown. Then Lily. Blonde. Good. Black. Done. Finish.
Is that the face? How about the eyes? Blue and Lily and Sally's eyes are blue. Mouth is the smallest. Okay, let's try it. Look.
Big nose. That. Sharp. Lily has sharp. Okay. Black. Lily.
Okay, can you draw it, baby?
I can draw the Dan Lily.
Draw their faces. Okay, opposite. What is the opposite of big? Can you read it,
Big,
baby?
Big, warm,
tall,
short, hot, curly, ugly, different, beautiful, bright, glow, sad, quiet, eyes, dead, small, plain, low, start, happy. They two are on opposite pair. Now fair for them.
Okay, let me read it. Big, wrong, tall, short, hot, curly, ugly, difficult, beautiful, right, cold, sad, quiet, easy, dirty, small, clean, loud, straight, happy. Again.
Big, wrong, tall, short, hot, curly, ugly, different, beautiful, bright, cold, sad, quiet, eyes, dirty, small, plain, low, short, happy.
What is the opposite of big, baby?
Big.
Opposite, small. Wrong. What is the opposite of wrong? Right.
Right. Tall, short.
Short. Hot.
Hot, cold.
Yes. Curly.
Straight.
Straight.
Ugly. Beautiful.
Difficult.
Red. Sad.
Easy. Difficult, easy.
Happy. Quiet. Low. Eyes. Yes. Red. Yeah. Different. Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, perfect. Good job. Happy. Sha-la-la-la.
Happy, 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 happy.
Happy. Okay, baby. Baby, this is your homework. Write it in your notebook, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Wow, good job today, baby.
Bye, bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye, bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. Bye, bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. Goodbye.
Okay, baby.
Yay.
See you again. Baby, I will put your assignment in our notebook, okay?
Goodbye.
Hello, baby.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye. See you again. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hold on, baby.
Yes.
One song, one song. Do you like one song?
Yes. And monkey. Yeah. Yay. Then monkey, then. Oh, oh. Nó có gì? Anh tâm sẽ đó mai mỏi.
Baby's wearing a red hat, Baby's wearing a red hat all day long. All right, the color of the hat is red. Let's find out the color of the shoes. Baby's wearing green shoes. Baby's wearing green shoes all day long. That's right, the color of the shoes is green. Let's find out the color of the coat. Baby's wearing a blue coat, blue coat, blue coat. Baby's wearing a blue coat all day long. Wow, excellent! The color of the coat is blue.
You like it, baby? I like it too. So, baby, see you again, okay?
Goodbye.
Don't forget to eat your dinner, baby.
Yes. My dinner.
What is your dinner?
Egg. Fish.
Egg and
Fish.
fish. Wow.
Tomato.
Tomato?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, see you again, baby.
Goodbye, teacher.
See you, darling. And 1:30.